How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to 2A News Now, and I really appreciate you taking your time tuning into my video. A federal judge has ruled that large capacity magazines are not protected by the Second Amendment. A U.S. District Court judge in Washington, D.C. has declined to grant an injunction against the city's ban on large capacity magazines, ruling that while magazines in general are arms protected by the Second Amendment, large capacity magazines fall outside the scope of the Second Amendment. And you have to hear this because they're a poor fit for self-defense purposes. The challenge to the district's magazine ban, known as Hansen versus DC, involves 4 legal gun owners from DC, say they all would possess and carry large capacity magazines in their firearms if they weren't banned by law. The district's prohibition comes complete with a potential 3-year prison sentence, though it's unclear how often that sentence is handed down in practice, with DC prosecutors routinely deciding to decline charges in many illegal gun possession cases, using public safety concerns as a backstop to uphold the constitutionality of any or all gun control laws. Is just another attempt by a lower court to get around the interest balancing test deployed in the wake of the Heller decision, an approach SCOTUS squarely rejected in Bruen last year, no matter how the judge tries to dismiss or downplay the fact that so-called large capacity magazines are owned by tens of millions of Americans for a variety of lawful purposes. The reality is that these arms are in common use for lawful purposes. Today's decision is incredibly disappointing, but I have a feeling that the Supreme Court is going to reach a very different conclusion when a magazine ban reaches the justices. As always, I would really like to hear your thoughts about the story in the comments section down below. And if you guys could do me a favor and please help the channel out by liking, sharing, and subscribing and hitting those post notifications, I would be very grateful. And I hope to see you guys in my next video.